In this lesson, we're going to learn more about suffixes and the doubling rule. Once you learn the doubling rule, you will be able to spell many words. A base word is the simplest form of an English word. So if you have a base word and you want to change the meaning of it, you could add a prefix or a suffix. A suffix is added to the end of a base word and it changes its meaning. For example, if you have the word bump and you add the suffix s, it becomes bumps, more than one bump. If you have bump and you add ing, it becomes bumping. I'm bumping along right now. Or I can add the suffix y and it can become bumpy, like the road is bumpy. We have two kinds of suffixes that we use in English. There are vowel suffixes that start with a, e, I, o, or u, but sometimes y if it's saying a vowel sound, like I or e. And we also have consonant suffixes that don't start with vowels. Here are some examples of vowel suffixes that start with vowels. ing, es, ed, er, est, and vowel y, saying I or e. And then we have consonant suffixes, ly, ness, less, ful, and s. Let's talk about consonant suffixes first. If I have a consonant suffix, I can always just add it to any base word without changing the base word at all. So, if I have a consonant suffix like ly, ness, less, ful, or s, or any other consonant suffix that starts with a consonant, I can just add it. So star becomes starless. Cup becomes cupful. Hop becomes hops. Sad becomes sadness. And mad becomes madly. When I have a vowel suffix, I have to look at the last three letters of the base word to see if I need to change the base word before I add a suffix. So here are some vowel suffixes. Now, I need to look at my base word, so I'm going to cover up the suffixes that I have there, which are all consonant suffixes, but now I'm going to cover those up and just look at the base words. So I have star, cup, hop, sad, and mad. Look at the base words. All of them only have one vowel. They only have one consonant after the vowel, and they're all accented because they're one syllable. So they're one. One vowel, one consonant, and one syllable that's accented. Okay? So if I have a 1, I have to double the last letter of my base word before I add the vowel suffix. So I have to do starring. That becomes starring. Now I have cup, and I have one vowel, one consonant, and one accent. So I have to double that P before I can add the vowel suffix ing. It becomes cupping. Again with hop, 1, so I have to double the P before I add the ed, hopped. I have one vowel, one consonant, one syllable that's accented, so I'm going to double the D before I add ER. Sadder. And then double the D in mad before I add ER. It becomes madder. So I have a question for you. Do I always double the final consonant before I add a vowel suffix? And the answer is no, I do not. I only do it if I have one vowel, one consonant after the vowel, and my syllable is accented. So if I have a one syllable word, it's always accented. So let's look at one. I have the word run. Do I have one vowel? Yes. Do I have one consonant after the vowel? Yes. Is it accented? Yes, because it's only one syllable. So I'm going to double that N before I add a vowel suffix. Here's another word. Here's the word jump. Do I have one vowel? Yes. Do I have one consonant after the vowel? No, I have two. So I'm not going to double my P before I add a vowel suffix. So let's try it. We have the base word run. It has one vowel, one consonant after the vowel, and it's one syllable, so I know it's accented. So I'm going to double that N before I add a vowel suffix, ing, and it becomes the word running. Now let's try it with jump. I have J, U, M, P. I have one vowel, but I have two consonants after the vowel. And so because of that, I don't double that P before I add a vowel suffix. I'm going to add the vowel suffix ER. Do you know what word that's going to become? If I add the ER to it, it's going to become the word jumper. He is a good jumper. So remember, if you have a vowel suffix and you have a 1-1-1 word, you're going to double. But if you are adding a consonant suffix like S, you do not double. So run becomes runs. But I don't double that N even though I have one vowel and one consonant and one accent. The same with this word. I have the word sad with one vowel, one consonant after the vowel, and one accent because it's one syllable. But when I add ly, I don't have to double because L is not a vowel. So that is a consonant suffix. I only double with vowel suffixes. Let's try a couple more. If I have the base word look, L-O-O-K, and I'm adding the vowel suffix ing, do I double? Well, do I have one vowel? No, I have two. So I don't double unless I have one vowel and one consonant after the vowel and a vowel suffix. So I have looking. Let's try another one. I have the word, base word meet plus vowel suffix ing. Do I double the T before I add the ing? Do I have one vowel? No, I don't. I have two. It's a vowel team. So I spell it meeting. Go and practice the 1-1-1 rule with your reading and writing this week. We have one vowel, one consonant, and one accented syllable. When you're adding a vowel suffix, you will double the last letter. I'm sure you'll do well.